Hey, crypto family. So it looks like Bitcoin keeps trucking along. Yesterday we did have some consolidation, but it looks like today we've been continuing on to the upside. And right now we have Bitcoin up 1% to $7,359. Ethereum hasn't been doing too good. It's down 1.5% at $285, so it fails to break that $300 level. But then we have a few altcoins like Stellar and Litecoin. They've been doing really good, up 3 and 4%. And then we have Monero up 1.66%. And the rest of the coins, of course, some are up, 10, 15% as well. So again, it's good to see most of the coins today are in the green. Looking at Bitcoin here, now I mentioned if we break the 128-day moving average, that's very bullish, and we could possibly see new highs around that $7,800 to $7,900 level, which is the 200-day moving average. But right now, Bitcoin, it went to a high of $7,440 today, and right now it's hovering around that 7,350 level. So if we can keep above 7,300, then I definitely see that as bullish and possibly continuing on to the upside. But again, we'll have to watch out if we can maintain that level. If not, then we'll need to maintain at least around 7,000 or above, which is around this 50-day moving average. So again, making sure we're watching that and always setting your stops and always taking profit accordingly, because anytime this market could turn. So never get too comfortable whenever buying these rallies and not forgetting not to take profit or something. So always be on your toes and always make sure to set your stops. But looking at one of the first news articles, so I mentioned we've been pretty bullish, and this article on CoinDesk actually says Bitcoin price indicator turns bullish for the first time in 8 months. So this guy here, Amkar Godbol, he mentions Bitcoin's MACD as well as a bullish breakout from a falling channel. So one of the things he shows is the MACD, it's been on the downward side since the beginning of the year. So you can see here, it was on the upside and then it turned towards the downside and it had that negative momentum until just recently, which we had a bullish reversal, which was confirmed. So, and then you look here, the falling channel that was drawn, it broke out of that at the same time that it's breaking out of this MACD, upper reversal here. So again, that's definitely some positive news. And we also have a bullish divergence, which basically you see that this is making higher highs while Bitcoin is still in a decline. So it's kind of saying a reversal to the upside is imminent. And we had all these indicators here, and Bitcoin, it did end up breaking to the upside. And then he also mentions the 4-hour chart, though, how there was a pennant and we had a rising trend line here, but it was broken whenever Bitcoin went down from about 7,300, down to that low 7,150 level. So he says that could, be a negative sign. We'll need to see if it does break down, then, we'll potentially move down to the 7,200 level. If not, we could move to 7,500 or higher. So I really like this guy's analysis. It's pretty detailed and showed a lot of positive points. This first chart was a weekly chart, and then the second chart again was the 4-hour chart. So hopefully, Bitcoin continues on and we can break through this $8,000 level around this. If we break up to 8,000, then I definitely see us taking out a lot of shorts that were taken around this $7,300 level. So all those shorts are underwater right now, and most of them should get liquidated if we break over 8,000. So again, we'll have to keep an eye on these levels and, see what happens. So now, one of the articles that I thought was pretty interesting was Walmart actually selling Bitcoin chocolates. So you heard that right. Walmart, out of all stores, they've already integrated, they want to integrate blockchain into their logistics platforms and, try to do it through that route. But as far as physical items, they haven't brought anything out until today. It says, while investors complain over suppression of Bitcoin prices in 2018, the largest cryptocurrency quietly debuted at Walmart stores for just $1. So basically you see here $1 Bitcoin milk chocolate coins. So it talks about them wanting to penetrate the market, for children and, young adults to try to get into the candy market, and just because there's not really been anyone that's tailored to that market. A lot of people who've traded have been older, in their 20s, 30s, 40s, but they kind of want to tailor to that younger crowd now. And then that's why they're introducing, Bitcoin chocolate and just kind of slowly introducing cryptocurrencies to the mainstream. So I thought this was pretty cool. Again, it's just one more way for cryptocurrencies to get into the mainstream and just, for more people to become aware of them. So I thought this was great, and it'll just keep spreading Bitcoin's image, throughout the world. So definitely good on Walmart, and hopefully they just continue to bring out more things that get people talking about Bitcoin. Now, last but not least is an article by Cointelegraph, and this was one I just wanted to bring people's attention to about scam websites. So as you know, there's been a lot of scam websites. You had BitConnect, you have a lot of websites that claim to grow your money 1% a day, 0.5% a day, and over time you'll know that that's not possible, because that would mean over a year's time you're making over 300%, and that's guaranteed, they say. So again, that's not something that's feasible, and you need to be aware of those. And a lot talks about basically Belgium's Financial Services and Markets Authority, FISMA. They added 28 new sites to its crypto-related fraud blacklist. And if you click on the list, it brings up a list of companies and their websites. So again, just double check here if you're dealing with any websites that you think may be fraudulent. Maybe they're on here. And also it talks about the United States. They created that, if you remember, that website howiecoins.com that lures investors. It's kind of like it's a fake website basically that shows what an ICO fraud website would look like, and it just talks about oh, you're going to get all these returns, and if you click buy coins now, then it actually says if you responded to an offer like this, you could have been scammed. Howie coins are completely fake, and then it goes why it's fake, red flags, and a lot of stuff. So again, if you're still new to the space and you want to know what if your website is fake that you're looking at, just kind of go to this link here. You can go to this article here by Cointelegraph, and again, just click on or go to howiecoins.com, and so you can read exactly what red flags bring up if a website is fake. So again, thought it helps people out there, because I know there's a lot of people coming into the space every day. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. So till next time, thanks for watching.